Hi my friends, today we model this part with some interesting features and we use this drawing. We start by creating this cylinder with dimensions diameter of 32 and length of 60. Nothing simpler. New standard millimeter size PT, XY sketch, rectangle, normal rectangle, and tab 60. Escape. This is center line and the diameter is 32. Finish sketch. Revolve. Okay. We continue with this hexagon 32 on a length of 16 and also 16. We select this face, we project it, and we use polygon with 6 sides. This is the center and we apply horizontal for these 2 points. Also tangent because we know that this is 32. Extrude, hexagon, the other direction, join 16. Now we create a midplane between this and this. We'll use this plane. But before we use the plane XY because we want to apply a sloped line from this end to this end. The angle is 30. The position of the left end is on the same vertical with this, but I have to project it. I apply coincident of these two. I also project this side. This can be converted to construction. We trim this extra line, finish sketch, and we apply revolve of the small triangle already selected by Inventor, and using the axis Y. Inventor waits for us because of this blue line. So we select the axis Y, we select cut instead of join. Okay, and we have that chamfer, that nice chamfer. We apply mirror of the last feature about this midplane. Okay, now we have the other chamfer. This is no more necessary, and we create another mid-plane between these two ends. Why? Because we mirror of this and also this. About the plane already created. This is no more necessary, so we have two ends with hexagons. Next is this cylinder, this one. Dimensions 32 diameter and a distance of 42 at an angle of 45 from this very point. We use the plane XY, F7, and we select a sloped rectangle starting from here, going here, and extend it to the left. This point is placed on the same vertical with the center point, then a dimension between the two of 15. This is a center line. The angle between this and a vertical, I don't have a vertical, I project the axis Y and an angle of 45. This is 42 and the diameter is 32. We have a fully constrained sketch. Revolve. Inventor knows what to do. OK. Yes. This was that dimension of 15. Then we create this gauze half of an inch pipe thread. It is here and here. The depths of them are 25 from up, 30 from the bottom. Good. We use the tool hole. We select this face, this center, and threaded iso pipe threads, and we select, I suppose, this. Yes, this is gauze 1/2 of an inch. We select here this end, full depth, and the depth is 25 from up, plus this face, this center, and 30. Good. Next is to apply this and this cylindrical features. 24 for both is the diameter, 10 up and 15 bottom. We measure from the bottom of the two holes we made. Again, XY plane, F7, we select these two lines to be used for creating that rectangles. This is one and this is the other. They are aligned. As you can see, we apply center lines for both. Dimension is 24 for both, 24, and this is 10, the other is 15. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. And now we apply revolve. We have to select both areas and one of the two center lines with cut. Okay. Now you see a space here and another is here. Now we have to add a volume here because of this intersection of empty features. That new volume is a cylinder joined with this, not subtracted from it. This is the length 10 plus 13 plus 8, and the axis is known, and we'll use this corner for that rectangle to be on the same vertical with this point. Good, let's do this. Firstly, we create an axis. This is the axis, you see. Then in the plane XY, F7 and home, we project this axis and we hide the original axis. This is the center line. Then we use sloped rectangle starting from here, but let me project this. This goes here and then somewhere. We place on the same vertical this point with this point. We have the center line. I don't need to make this center line, and we place the length of this. As I said, this is 10 plus 13 plus 8. Okay. Finish sketch. Revolve this. Then we select this axis, but not cutting anything. We select join to create this wall. Yes, this is why. Okay. Now we create this empty cylinder on with dimensions 13 and 24. We'll use again that axis. The plane is XY. Home, F7, and we look for the axis. This is the axis. Make it visible. Project in the new sketch. Then not visible the axis. This is a center line. And we use the same solution with a rectangle. Dimensions are 10 here and 13 here. The diameter is 24. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve, cut. Okay. And now we have another empty volume inside the part. The part has two holes here. One is also gas 1/2 of an inch pipe thread, and the other is metric 10 with a pitch of 1. This and this. We use the tool hole. Hole. This is the face. Gas 1.5, and the length is 10. But the center was missing. Okay. The other is not pipe but metric profile of 10. With a pitch of 1 placed on this face, this center, and the depth is 10 plus 13. No, 10 plus 13 plus 8. Okay. There is another thread here. Good. Now we have to create a new feature. This extension or protrusion of the part. A rectangle with two small holes. Dimensions are here. 2 the distance, 20 the length, 10 the width, and here we see the 35 placement. Yes, from this end. Okay. We create a plane based on XY plane to the left at a distance of 35 minus half of 32. 32 divided by 2. Okay. You see there is a gap between the plane and the part. Once again, we have to project the axis. Visibility, and the axis is here. Project, not visibility for that axis. And now we create another rectangle, as you can see, with dimensions. But firstly, let me place this midpoint of the side to this axis. The axis is construction, not center line. 2 millimeters here, 20 here, and 10 the width. Fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude to the part. Okay. Yes. Now the holes. The holes are 2 millimeters, placed at 4.5 and 15 and the axis, and with a depth of 4.5. We select this face, we draw a line, parallel with the side. I hope to get this, and we project this line to apply perpendicular, and we make coincident this line with the midpoint. Dimensions 4.5 here and 15 is this. No, this is wrong. I delete this dimension and I place 4.5 from the face. Finish sketch. Hole, not threaded, with the angle at the end and with the depth of 4.5, the diameter of 2, placed on the ends of that line, my friends. Okay, you see, 2 small holes. Now if we take the note, we see that all fillets are radius 2.5, all chamfers are 1 at 45 degrees. We start with chamfers. 1 is the value, and we have 3 edges. Okay, now to apply that fillets, we make a magic thing by using half section view with the XY plane as the cutting. Now we can apply fillets inside. I select this edge 2.5, also here, 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 and to this other edges. We covered all of them. Good. Okay. Now we delete section view and we apply other fillets of 2.5, 2.5 here and here, also around this extrusion, and plus this one. And also these two. Okay. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical update. We select this value, copy, close, and double click. The new value is almost the same. Probably I missed a fillet or something. Anyway, you see what we did here, yes? And the result is this one. You can use my procedures to see if you get the same value. The material is steel cast. The aspect is steel cast. We eliminate edges. We place some face to be machined. Some faces to be machined. Still polished. If we want to compare the two, we cannot have the same position. So we use this corner of the navigation cube and we make it set current view as home. Yes. Now if you rotate it and you use home, you see the same position. This is, oh, I forgot to add here the default lights. Now we see the same without the texture. The texture is rotated and this is not important or does not matter. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.